In the context of Woven, the letter O, oral communication, is going to be my biggest challenge in class this year. The reason being is that whenever I've had to do presentations in the past, my anxiety would get the best of me and I would start stuttering and going out of order and even forgetting my lines. The reason being is that I was scared of how my audience or the students would judge my presentation skills and how I would convey the information. And one way I got over that was that I talked with the students more. I got to know them on a personal level, so I knew how they were thinking in a way. And for example, the Pecha Kucha that we're doing next is going to be kind of a challenge for me because I have to precisely measure out what I'm going to say and see how long it takes me to say that. So I'm happy that it's our first one, so I would have to get it over with faster. And I feel like in this class, the main thing that I can do is get to know the students more, because I only know about 1 or 2 students right now. So the more students I know, the easier it's going to be for me to present in front of them.